Today's work from home job pays $15.60 to answer customer calls, emails, and chats with the company Wayfair.
Hey guys, you can either trade your time for money or trade your money for time. Sure, you could go work at any job making 15 bucks an hour, 17 bucks an hour, but you're gonna be working long days and long hours and you're not gonna be able to really enjoy any free time. Let me show you a better way where you can create passive income, and instead of trading your time for money, you could trade your money for your time. It's by selling products online just like this, and let me show you how. I can get this product between $10 to $12 and sell it online for 40 bucks. So I get the product for 10 bucks, sell it for 40, I'm left with $30, right? Say for example, it cost me between $10 to $15 to acquire the customer through paid ads, then I'm left with $15 to $20 profit. That means I only have to sell between 15 to 18 units per day, that's it, to make $100,000 a year. And if you're not doing that, guys, you're sleeping on the internet. So stop wasting time and go make that money online. Let's go!